Dear students, now we are going to learn the objectives of Chapter 7, International Economics. Question number 1. Trade between two countries is known as dash trade. A. External, B. Internal, C. Interregional, D. Home. The correct answer is A. External. Question number 2. Which of the following factors influence trade? A. The stage of development of a product. B. The relative price of factors of productions. C. Government. D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 3. International trade differs from domestic trade because of A. Trade restrictions. B. Immobility of factors. C. Different government policies. D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 4. In general, a primary reason why nations conduct international trade is because A. Some nations prefer to produce one thing while others produce another. B. Resources are not equally distributed among all trading nations. C. Trade enhances opportunities to accumulate profits. D. Interest rates are not identical in all trading nations. The correct answer is B. Resources are not equally distributed among all trading nations. Question number 5. Which of the following is a modern theory of international trade? A. Absolute cost. B. Comparative cost. C. Factor endowment theory. D. None of the set. The correct answer is C. Factor endowment theory. Question number 6. Exchange rates are determined in A. Money market. B. Foreign exchange market. C. Stock market. D. Capital market. The correct answer is B. Foreign exchange market. Question number 7. Exchange rates for currencies is determined by supply and demand under the system of A. Fixed exchange rate. B. Flexible exchange rate. C. Constant. D. Government regulated. The correct answer is B. Flexible exchange rate. Question number 8. Net exports equals dash. A. Export into import. B. Export plus import. C. Export minus import. D. Exports of services only. The correct answer is C. Exports minus imports. Question number 9. Who among the following enunciated the concept of single factor terms of trade? A. Jacob Wiener. B. G.S.Donens. C. Taussig. D. J.S.Mill. The correct answer is A. Jacob Wiener. Question number 10. Terms of trade of a country show dash. A. Ratio of goods exported and imported. B. Ratio of imported duties. C. Ratio of prices of exports and imports. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Ratio of prices of exports and imports. Question number 11. Favorable trade means value of exports are dash than that of imports. A. More. B. Less. C. More or less. D. Not more than. Correct answer is A. More. Question number 12. If there is an imbalance in the trade balance, more imports than exports, it can be reduced by A. Decreasing customs duties. B. Increasing export duties. C. Stimulating exports. D. Stimulating imports. The correct answer is C. Stimulating exports. Question number 13. BOP includes A. Visible items only. B. Invisible items only. C. Both visible and invisible items. D. Merchandise trade only. The correct answer is C. Both visible and invisible items. Question number 14. Components of balance of payment of a country includes A. Current account. B. Official account. C. Capital account. D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 15. In the case of balance of trade, A. Transaction of goods are recorded. B. Transaction of both goods and services are recorded. C. Both capital and financial accounts are included. D. All of these. Correct answer is A. Transaction of goods are recorded. Question number 16. Tourism and travel are classified in which of the balance of payment accounts? A. Merchandise trade account. B. Service account. C. Unilateral transfers account. D. Capital account. The correct answer is B. Services account. Question number 17. Cyclic disequilibrium in balance of payment occurs because of A. Different parts of business cycle. B. Then income elasticity of demand or price elasticity of demand is different. C. Long run changes in an economy. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 18. Which of the following is not an example of foreign direct investment? A. Construction of new auto assembly plant overseas. B. Acquisition of an existing steel mill overseas. C. The purchase of bonds or stocks issued by the textile company overseas. D. The creation of wholly owned business firms overseas. The correct answer is C. The purchase of bonds or stocks issued by a textile company overseas. Question number 19. Foreign direct investment not permitted in India. A. Banking. B. Atomic energy. C. Pharmaceutical. D. Insurance. The correct answer is B. Atomic energy. Question number 20. Benefits of FDI includes theoretically A. Boost in economic growth. B. Increase in the import and export of goods and services. C. Increased employment and skill levels. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Thank you, children.